So, this is the first time I'm using the Osmo Pocket with a selfie stick. I don't know if it's tracking me or not, but it looks like it is. You can see I'm at the ocean. It's a pretty day. And, well, I am at the ocean, but I actually live right there. So, walking distance from the house. Oh, I suffer. I do suffer. So, I'm using the Manfrotto selfie stick and the DJI mount. And I have to say, it's I guess it's far enough, but maybe a little further might be better. Let's see how that looks. Now it's a little further, but is the audio still there? I don't know. I said I wasn't testing today, that I was using. So I guess this is going to be a vlog. It's my first day off since I'm back in California. I mean, technically I had days where I didn't do anything before I started work, but I was too busy packing and kind of getting ready. And thankfully, the one day I'm off, it's nice out. Maybe I'm just a lucky guy. I still think I like using the 360 for vlogging best, although the GoPro, I can see why people love it. I really do. Maybe the only reason people don't want to use the GoPro is because they want to be different. GoPro does a good job, and there's a lot of accessories for it. I mean, it's nice to have the new toy, but there's nothing wrong with the Hero 7 is pretty good. Pretty good. I had a really good time shooting with the Osmo Pocket today. It did a great job, and with the selfie stick, I found it nice for vlogging. The audio was good, even at the beach where it was loud. It took some nice pictures. I got nothing to complain about. I mean, we bought it because we wanted this tiny handheld thing, but sometimes it's too small. Ask my wife.